Taking on productive conversation and brewing innovative ideas, Middle Managers Class Batch 37 Ani joins the Department of Economy, Planning, and Development Secretary Arsenio M. Balisacan at this year's breakfast chat held at the DAP Conference Center, Tagaytay City. The chat underscored the present trajectory of the Philippine economy, as well as the significant role of the people's trust in the institutions towards achieving economic goals. Moreover, the open forum, led by the Center for CES Development Vice President Mayra A. Nieves, initiated conversations on multisectoral matters, such as the integration of data from the ground into creating citizen-centric programs.
Well, I took on a topic that is of significance to those government workers, especially middle managers, especially in the context of the long-term challenges of the economy and Philippine society. The roles that they play in the evolution of development thinking and implementation of programs and projects in government is crucial in realizing the narrative that we want to achieve in the coming years. So hopefully they will become instrument of this change and addressing the issue of trust deficit in government.
Medyo marami tayong key takeaways from Sec RC's discussions ngayon sa breakfast chat. One of the major or one of the topics that really took my is the trust deficit. He stressed on trust deficit, and it's a challenge for us as middle managers in government agencies. It is an endeavor that we, as a whole of the government approach, needs to address. So we need to recover the trust of our public para we could better deliver the needed services that we as government agencies are responsible for.
I consider it as a great opportunity to have Secretary RC this time for a breakfast chat. Basically, his breakfast chat provided us background information, and an overview of how we should see the development of the country this moment. And as a middle manager, this information provides foundation for me to understand where we are right now, where we are going, and how we are going to move forward to achieve the Ambition 2040.
As the MMC 37 Ani closed this year's breakfast chat, they harvested fresh perspectives and brewed ideas that will drive their leadership moving forward. For the latest news, be the first to know here in PMDP Bites.